Okay. Good morning, students. Last class we are discussed about preparation of chlorine. So mainly chlorine is prepared by three methods. Already we know that. Number one, decant process. Second one, electrolysis process. And third one, laboratory method. So in this decant process, hydrochloric acid reacts with the oxygen to form chlorine gas. And in electrolysis method, we have taken NaCl solution. That NaCl solution is called brine solution. When electricity is passed through the brine solution to form two ions, that is Na plus ion and Cl minus ion. This Cl minus ion is give the chlorine gas and electrons. Next, third method, laboratory method. So in this method we have taken manganese dioxide MnO2. MnO2 reacts with hydrochloric acid to form in this reaction chlorine gas. Okay, so these three preparations. Okay, chlorine preparations. Already we know that physical properties of chlorine. So it is gas and a greenish yellow color, fungid smell. It is also soluble in water to form HCl and HOCl. So overall, what is the chemical properties of chlorine gas? Chlorine is mainly reacts with the metals like iron or aluminium or sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So number of metals. At the same time, chlorine reacts with non-metals also, like a phosphorus, sulfur, okay, to form different types of components. Okay, so now today remaining chemical properties. First, chlorine reacts with the calcium hydroxide. So calcium hydroxide is also called silicate lime. Okay, silicate lime. When these silicate lime or calcium hydroxide reacts with the chlorine gas to form in this reaction CaOCl2. Okay, CaOCl2. Next further H2O. Okay, water molecules. Okay, CaOCl2 means calcium oxychloride. This calcium oxychloride is also called bleaching powder. Okay, what is the formula of bleaching powder? CaOCl2. Okay, listen. So calcium hydroxide or silicate lime, it is reacts with chlorine gas to form in this reaction CaOCl2 means bleaching powder, and next further water molecules. Okay, next further chlorine reacts with H2S. H2S. H2S means hydrogen sulfide. Okay, hydrogen sulfide. When this hydrogen sulfide is reacts with the chlorine gas to form in this reaction H2Cl2 to form 2HCl. Okay, H2Cl2 to form HCl means hydrochloric acid. Next further sulfur. Okay, sulfur. So hydrogen sulfide, it is reacts with the chlorine gas to form in this reaction hydrochloric acid HCl and next further sulfur. Okay, next third one, it is reaction with the FeSO4, acidified ferrous sulfate. So FeSO4 plus H2SO4. So acidic nature of FeSO4 are acidified ferrous sulfate. This compound is reacts with the chlorine gas. To form in this reaction, listen, 2Fe, we write Fe2, right? 2SO4 and SO4. So SO4 taken thrice. Okay, Fe2, SO4 taken thrice. Next H2 and Cl2 to form 2HCl. Okay, hydrochloric acid. Overall, Fe2SO4 taken thrice means ferric sulfate. Okay, ferrous sulfate is converted to ferric sulfate. Listen, acidified ferrous sulfate means FeSO4 plus H2SO4. These two components is reacts with the chlorine to form Fe2SO4 taken thrice. Next further hydrochloric acid. So it is reacts with the acidic FeSO4. Next further, it is reacts with the sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. So it is very important reaction. Listen, we have taken sodium hydroxide. So cool and dilute. Cool and dilute sodium hydroxide is reacts with the chlorine gas. To form in this reaction, first NaCl means sodium chloride, and next NaOCl, sodium hypochlorite. Okay, hypochlorite. What is the sodium hypochlorite? NaOCl. Next further in this reaction to form H2O, water molecules. Okay, listen. Cool, dilute sodium hydroxide reacts with the chlorine gas. To form in this reaction sodium chloride and NaOCl, sodium hypochlorite. Next further water molecules. Okay, next further, when we have taken heat and concentrated sodium hydroxide solution. This sodium hydroxide solution is reacts with the chlorine gas. To form in this reaction, first NaCl. So NaCl means sodium chloride. Next further NaClO3. Okay, NaClO3. So sodium chlorate, sodium chlorate, remaining water molecules. So these two reactions is very important reactions. So overall, cool dilute sodium hydroxide reacts with chlorine to form NaCl and NaOCl and water molecules. So NaOCl means sodium hypochlorite. Okay. Next further, we have taken hot or heat concentrated sodium hydroxide solution. This solution is reacts with chlorine gas. To form in this reaction sodium chloride and NaClO3, sodium chlorate and water molecules. Okay, so it is reacts with sodium hydroxide. Okay. Next further, chlorine reacts with the ammonia. Okay, chlorine reacts with the ammonia. So overall, chlorine reacts with the excess of or highly quantity of ammonia. Okay, chlorine reacts with highly quantity of ammonia or 8 moles of ammonia. To form in this reaction NaH4Cl. Okay, NaH4Cl means ammonium chloride. Next further, to form in this reaction nitrogen. Ammonium chloride and nitrogen. Okay, listen. Chlorine reacts with highly quantity of ammonia to form NaH4Cl means ammonium chloride. Next nitrogen gas. Or suppose ammonia. This ammonia is reacts with highly quantity of chlorine. Okay, or low quantity of ammonia reacts with highly quantity of chlorine. To form this reaction, so how many chlorine atoms? 6. 3 to just 6. So NCl3. NCl3, nitrogen trichloride. Okay, next further 3 hydrogens, remaining 3 chlorines to form hydrochloric acid. Okay, so these two reactions is very important reactions. Overall, suppose for example, chlorine reacts with highly quantity of ammonia. To form in this reaction, ammonium chloride, NH4Cl and nitrogen gas. Less quantity of ammonia reacts with chlorine. To form in this reaction NCl3 means nitrogen trichloride. And second one hydrochloric acid. Okay, it is reacts with ammonia. Next further, chlorine gas reacts with water molecules. Suppose chlorine. This chlorine gas reacts with the water molecules. To form in this reaction HCl and HOCl. So HCl means hydrochloric acid and HOCl means hypochlorous acid. Okay, overall HCl hydrochloric acid and HOCl hypochlorous acid. The combination of HCl and HOCl is called chlorine water. Okay, what is the chlorine water? The mixture of HCl hydrochloric acid and HOCl hypochlorous acid. Okay, it is called chlorine water. Overall, this HOCl is converted to HCl and oxygen. HOCl is converted to HCl and oxygen. So this oxygen is a good oxidizing agent. Overall, it is called a Nusskent oxygen. This Nusskent oxygen is mainly used for a bleaching purpose. What is the meaning of bleaching? Color compounds is converted to colorless compounds. Okay, it is mainly used in textile factories. Okay, paper industries. Okay, so different types of industries or factories. But we have remove the color or impurities from cloth or paper. Okay, so it is chlorine reacts with the water molecules. Next, chlorine reacts with the alkanes also. So which compounds are alkanes? Methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. So these are all compounds alkanes. Okay, so now suppose CH4. CH4 is the methane. This methane is reacts with the chlorine. To form in this reaction CH3Cl. CH3Cl means methyl chloride. Okay, methyl chloride. And next further hydrochloric acid. Okay, CH3, one chlorine, one hydrogen to form hydrochloric acid. Next further CH3Cl means methyl chloride or chloromethane. Okay, methyl chloride or chloromethane. Next, this methyl chloride is reacts with another chlorine gas. To form in this reaction, one hydrogen, one chlorine to form HCl. Next, CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2. It is methylidene dichloride. Methylidene dichloride. Next, it is also called dichloromethane. Okay, dichloromethane. Next further CH2Cl2. Dichloromethane or methylene dichloride. It is reacts with chlorine to form HCl. So one H, one chlorine to form HCl. Next, CHCl3. What is the CHCl3? Chloroform. Okay, what is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3. CHCl3 is also called trichloromethane. Okay, trichloromethane. Next further CHCl3, trichloromethane. It is also reacts with another chlorine. To form in this reaction, one hydrogen, one chlorine to form HCl, hydrochloric acid. And next further CCl4. CCl4 means carbon tetrachloride. Okay, carbon tetrachloride or tetrachloromethane. Okay, tetrachloromethane. Okay, so it is reacts with alkanes like a methane. It is also reacts with ethane also. So ethane reacts with chlorine to form ethyl chloride, or propane reacts with chlorine to form propyl chloride. Okay, so it is reacts with the alkanes. Okay, remaining chemical properties we are discussed further class. Okay.